Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable earbud fit test on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. You have to start by open application and then scroll down. Now click on earbud fit test, then put the headphones to your ears and then click play. They will play some sound and tell you is it perfect or no. So now I hear a sound of C. And here we go, it's a perfect one. Let's go. Then click done. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.